Animate static 3D models in PowerPoint. Here's another Freedom Lab cheat sheet video. Quick and simple step-by-step instructions for online business tech. Did you know that you can animate static 3D models in PowerPoint? You can use this feature to quickly generate animated snippets for videos you create with PowerPoint. In the previous video, I showed how to find and insert 3D models in PowerPoint. In this video, I'll show you how to add movement to those static 3D models. First, go to Animations on the ribbon menu, then click on your 3D model. You'll see what animations are available for 3D models. Next, click on Animation pane on the right so you can see the animations you've chosen. I picked Jump and Turn for the first one, and click on Start with Previous so that it starts automatically. Then I go to Add Animation and select Swing. If you don't go to Add Animation, the second one you pick will replace the first animation. For the swinging effect, I choose Start After Previous and Effect Options to add a bounce. It's more like a slight wiggle at the end. So now my static 3D model has animation, and I'm done. Wishing you all the best in your online venture adventures. I'm Marie Watkins with Freedom Lab.